Autophagy is a natural process that holds the key to a longer, healthier life. The term autophagy derives from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagi, meaning to eat. Quite literally, it is the body's way of cleaning house by consuming its own damaged cells and debris to regenerate newer, healthier ones. This process is essential not just for survival but for optimal health and longevity. Autophagy is like a cellular recycling program. When triggered, it breaks down dysfunctional components within our cells, eliminating waste and paving the way for renewal. This process is vital for maintaining cellular integrity and is associated with numerous health benefits, including improved biomarkers, lower fat mass, and muscle sparing. To activate autophagy, one of the most effective methods is fasting. Research suggests that fasting for 16 to 24 hours can initiate autophagy, while prolonged fasting of 48 to 72 hours can maximize its benefits. A study published in Cell Metabolism demonstrated that these fasting durations significantly enhance autophagic activity, leading to improved cellular health and longevity. As Dr. Yoshinori Osumi, Nobel Prize winner for his discoveries in autophagy, said, autophagy is essential for maintaining cellular health, which is the cornerstone of longevity. Exercise, particularly high-intensity interval training, HIIT, also promotes autophagy. Studies indicate that HIIT can significantly enhance autophagic activity, contributing to reduced fat mass while preserving muscle tissue, a crucial factor in healthy aging. The benefits of autophagy extend beyond physical health. By clearing out damaged cells, autophagy helps prevent chronic diseases, including neurodegenerative disorders, and boosts overall vitality. In this way, autophagy not only contributes to longevity but also to the quality of life. To quote Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Embracing practices like fasting and mindful eating can trigger autophagy and unlock our body's innate ability to heal and rejuvenate. To sum up, the importance of autophagy in life longevity cannot be overstated. By harnessing this natural process through fasting, ideally 16 to 72 hours depending on individual goals, exercise, and proper nutrition, we can promote cellular health, reduce fat mass, and preserve muscle, all while enhancing our lifespan. Autophagy is not just about living longer, it's about living better. Thanks for listening and hope you give this tool a try. Nate.